So you got to fly SCINI. What was it like? What was it like?
It was beautiful. It was just like a video game. It was easier than a video game.
Did you crash her?
No, I didn't crash her. I was very careful.
Good.
I didn't like to drive very fast.
So do you think you have a career as an ROV pilot?
Sure.
So how'd you like her?
It's actually quite intuitive. It made a lot of sense how they set the controls.
Yep.
I was actually quite impressed that it was just a game controller. It was wireless, so if you wanted to, you could walk around and stretch your legs a bit. You know, it was a lot of fun.
Can we sign you up to be an ROV pilot?
Too late, I've already signed.
Can you tell me your name and what you do down here?
My name is William Tynus, and I am the machinist.
And how have you helped the SCINI project?
Well, Francois comes to me to help him make little things that are just too hard to come up with any other way. I've gotten to make the foam parts, the downward-looking windows, some connectors I modified for Bob.
And overall, what are your impressions of this particular ROV?
Magnificent device, a huge improvement over the first one. I worked on that, 2 years ago now.
So did you get to fly SCINI?
I did.
What'd you think about it?
It was interesting. I had to take a picture so I could show my mom and tell her that I've been playing video games and see what she thinks.
Did you crash her?
No, I was too nervous. I even asked about it though. I was like, let's sustain a crash. He goes, well, we've got it on slow motion right now, so the speed isn't really that fast, so hopefully you won't crash. Just try and stop it. I'm like, oh, okay.
What'd you think?
It was cool fun. Something quite cool. It's amazing, something so technical. You can just use like a PlayStation controller and it flows.
So can we sign you up to be one of our pilots?
Oh, I'd love to come back and do something like that. It'd be heaps of fun.
I have to ask, did you crash her?
Nope, I did good. I was even commented on my perfect driving skills.
Really?
Yeah.
Well, what do you think about if you had the opportunity to sign up to be an ROV pilot? What would you think?
Kind of conflicts with my current job, but yeah, that'd be hella fun. So.
So what is your current job?
I'm a seismologist.
So can we sign you up to be one of our ROV pilots?
with some training. Yes.
You can leave the engineering world and be an ROV pilot.
Yeah, well, I think I need a lot more training than my 1 minute class.
Hey, thanks, Sally. So you got to fly SCINI today.
Yeah, it was a lot of fun.
So I have to ask though, are you a gamer?
No, it's not what I'm used to. So just using the controls, and you have to really think about, okay, right thumb do this, left thumb do this, up means down, down means up. So it gets a little confusing, but I felt pretty safe.
Actually, it was great. It was amazing. I was able to see the floor of the ocean that's here and see the creatures that's under there.
So what'd you think about her?
It's surprising that like just a basic video game controller is like the way that it runs. It's very simple and yeah, it's cool.
So can we sign you up to be one of our SCINI pilots?
Sure, no problem.
Does that mean you'll be leaving your day job to join us?
I'm a Jano, so yes.
Great. How'd you adjust to the PlayStation game controller?
I have never used one. I think I've only used one once or twice, so it was interesting, and I was just trying to use my thumbs to go wherever it was.
And so can we sign you up to be one of our ROV pilots?
Probably not. If I want to too well. It would be a fun toy back home.
So do you think you have a career as an ROV pilot?
You bet.
All right.
You bet.
All right. So can we sign you up to be one of our pilots?
No. Not one of those ones, no.
Okay.